What muscle is repaired in a rhytidectomy? So it's not one specific muscle, and it's not necessarily repaired exactly. It's a layer. So it's a fibromuscular layer called the SMAS that's lifted back in the position that it was when you were younger. And this just creates a younger, more youthful, more healthy appearance to the face. What is a rhytidectomy? This is a procedure in which we lift a fibromuscular layer called the SMAS into a more youthful position. And so you lift it kind of up and back in the face as well as in the neck. And this usually lifts between the top of the cheek all the way down through the neck. And so you get a lifted cheek, midface, jawline, and neck that rewinds the clock for you around 10 to 15 years. What is a rhytidoplasty? A rhytidoplasty is basically the same as a rhytidectomy. So you are just repairing or lifting that same submuscular layer back to a more youthful position. How is a rhytidectomy performed? So there's a number of different ways to do a rhytidectomy, also called a facelift. So these can be skin only, which basically no one does anymore because that gives you that really pulled Joan Rivers look that's just not attractive, and then it doesn't stay for very long. There are minimally invasive kind of rhytidectomies where you make a smaller incision and you'll either lift just the face, so just this mid-face here, or just the neck. Those are less invasive, but are only really most beneficial in certain patients that need that limited access lifting. There is a SMAS lift where you lift up the skin, you find this layer, this fibromuscular layer that is loose, and you lift it back up to where you want it to be. Or there's a deep plane lift where you go underneath that fibromuscular layer and you lift that as well as the skin back up to where you want it to be. That gives you a little bit longer lasting results, can be a little bit more powerful in the area of the midface, like the nasolabial folds, the marionette lines, and can last a little bit longer. So there's different ways to do it based on how your surgeon does them, your anatomy, and what can be the best results for you. Have questions? I help people like you every day. Email anytime or schedule a consultation at drangela.sturm.com. Thanks for watching.